Hello, this is Frank Antonetti coming back to you. I have a few videos, usually about eye color change, how to change your eye colors with any eye drops or some kind of balm they use now. But today I'm here to talk to you about removing your beard for transgendered people. Transgendered drag queens or just androgynous men who want to remove their beard. Well, first I started with laser. My first laser treatment was beyond torture. I was jumping off the seat. I wanted to escape. I was jumping, literally jumping. I tell you, your first laser experience removing your beard is so painful. And then the second is painful, but kind of you have to wait till your fourth or fifth one until the pain just seemed to go away. What happened is the laser attracts to darkness and the energy also too. And so there's so much energy in a man's beard underneath their skin. It's a lot of activity that's going on, and you will be driven crazy. But really, in my experience, what I've told, it takes 14 to 18 sessions for a man to remove their beard. So the idea is you're going to have to find a doctor or a clinic who's going to do it very affordable. And still, it does not get gray hairs. So the idea is girls or guys who want to be girls shop around and make sure it's very affordable because it's going to take between 14 to 18 sessions to remove all that hair. And I hate to tell you, the first few sessions you can be you can be in pain. They have this cream they call numb. It really doesn't do too much. They don't even buy it. Just be a man who wants to be a woman and just go through the pain, go through the torture. Because the first five are going to be beyond belief torture. Else, you could go for electrolysis, which is very uncomfortable. It also is torture too. I went through laser and then for years of electrolysis. But when I went for electrolysis, I only went once a month. I didn't allow it to bother me. So my process took many years because I wasn't really focused. Once a month, every now and then, whenever I was in the mood for it, I wasn't in a race to get any place. Now I have so very little hairs, I just get a tweezer and pluck them out every now and then. Now, but the main reasons for this video, I want to tell you why. Being that I have no beard, my face is looking more androgynous, more like a woman. And I don't take estrogen. What happens in a man's beard, it's a magnet for testosterone and it will block estrogen. Now that you guys or girls don't have a beard or don't want to have your beard, your face will attract estrogen and make your face very feminine. And you look very, very much just like a woman. And also, if you put a bit of weight on, they call it a Marilyn weight, like Marilyn Monroe. She always carried some weight. She was voluptuous. So between not having a beard and your face not attracting masculinity, that testosterone, it allowed to be feminine and a little bit of weight, your face will be very effeminate. And you might not need to go on estrogen because they say estrogen has complications. You get hot flashes, it makes you more complicated, and your problems are far more worse. And it's really a complication to go on estrogen. You become very girl-like. I really say just remove the beard, put a little bit of weight on, and your face will be feminine enough. You can see from my face, I have no hair. And in drag, I look very convincing as a woman. I just brush up my eyebrows with a bit of wax, up and over, and I put that bandage glue, and I go underneath the eyebrows with a little bit of concealer. I I take some darkness away to the point that I have a very fine, thin eyebrow. And then I go over the dark with some brown, dark brown pencil. Maybe I go a little bit on top, but I use the stick, the concealer stick, to outline an eyebrow. Some of these transgender people do the pasty stuff. I don't do pasties. They put the eyebrows way up here, and the whole eyebrow's covered with this horrible stuff. I call them pasties. I don't do pasties. When I do drag, a good 90% of my hair is represented. I use 90% of my eyebrows. I don't do pasties with eyebrows all the way up here. I try to be as natural as possible, and I have no beard. Anyway, there's things that you can consider, and these drag queen videos of these horrible transformations with these big high eyebrows and this pasty look is ridiculous. I say use your eyebrows as much as possible. Don't make false eyebrows. And well, there's a lot I could say about that. I'd like to conclude now. Be well and tune in. I do have other interests on my YouTube station. I sing in Italian and I do pop music. I recorded 13 songs in Miami, so go to my popular uploads. I'll be able to hear my Italian songs, Italian, English. My two favorite songs are Questo Ballo and Love Story. Oh well, bye.